Step into the Jeep 2020 Gladiator Overland. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are safety group included, Park Sense rear park assist system, blind spot and cross path detection, granite crystal metallic clear coat, black overland cloth bucket seats, auxiliary switch group included, 700 amp maintenance free battery, 240 amp alternator, auxiliary switches, quick order package, 24 grams included, engine 3.6L V6 24 VVVT UPG1 with ESS transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850 RE, trailer tow package included, trailer hitch, zoom class 4 hitch receiver, heavy duty engine, cooling, 240 amp alternator, engine 3.6L V6 24 VVVT UPG1 with ESS, STD, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850 RE, included, tip start transmission, skid plate, Select